go have some fun in the sea.
We're the Cadley family, come along and see. Adventures waiting around the world for you and me. Cadley family adventures, come make memories. Traveling together, wherever we wanna be. Cadley family adventures. Let's go! We're the Cadley family, come along and see. Adventures waiting around the world for you and me. Cadley family adventures, come make memories. Traveling together, wherever we wanna be. Cadley family adventures, let's go!
Hey, Cornish!
Stop here. Stop there.
Yeah! Let's go! It's just gone back.
A water can?
Yeah. Awesome. Kids are surfing. Harley's done really, really well at the minute, actually. Oh. Woo, woo. Cold, cold, cold. Hey, come on in there, wait, what? Oh. Cold, cold, cold. Wait for Sarah to come in. She's on shore with Zany. He won't come in. Harley's been actually surfboarding, well, bodyboarding. He's done really, really well. So we're just waiting for him to come back, get some footage. Oh. It's what?
Bit nippy.
Well, you got your prescriptions on?
Yeah, I know I have. Because I can't see.
You're going to if you lose them.
I won't lose them.
Where's Harley gone?
He's getting his wetsuit off on.
Oh, is it cold now? Woo! He's getting his wetsuit on, Al. Yeah. I'm surprised after that one, to be honest.
I better go back, she'll know. I'll sort of okay. Back, I will.
Harley's back. Hey, he's in his wet.
Don't lose them.
The lad's in his wetsuit, look.
Give them to Holly and Holly will...
I missed out the
Ready? You missed that one.
I know, I'm getting a good one. Oh, I wasn't that fast. I wasn't fast.
Alright, go on then.
That one there. That one there.
What's her name, Harley? Harley, what's her name? Why? Just ask her. I don't really know. I'd say if you don't want to use it, I'd say take it back. Ollie, this is a good one. You missed it by inches, did you? Hey? Are you a bit warmer in that now? Ready, go, go, go!
The one I told you. I think this is not the one.
Harley, Harley.
Right, now try. Come up. Come up. No.
No. Wait.
Slow down, slow down.
Ollie,
Don't-
you can float now, mate.
Yeah, I can't not that well.
Go and get the green noodle.
Okay. Time to swim back.
Time to swim back. Go on then.
Without you.
Go on then. Good boy.
He is so much water. Yeah, he is.
Keep going.
Like, he loves it in the water. Because he used to want Zane's life jacket on.
All the time. Even last year he wanted it on, didn't he?
Yeah. That's flaming drenched me.
It's waving at you.
See if she's alright.
I pressed the button outside and it said highlight a clip. I didn't even know I could do that. Oh!
Bingo tails on at 7 o'clock though.
Okay. I've got to be out of here by 5:30.
Yeah.
It's only 20 minutes back.
I need a shower.
We all will.
I'll put one of the boys in for me. And if John puts it in with him,
Well, your dad has tested it. He's found an okay heat. He hasn't turned the shower off. It's not red hot, it's not freezing.
No, I had it yesterday, it looked warm.
All you need to do... you got shot.
I've got that video, my love. And again. over there, there's going to be bacon sandwiches soon.
Jerry just swallowed me.
Get ready for bacon sandwich to come out.